Nigeria is still deeply shaken tonight as new details continue to come out about the deadly Benue attack that claimed many lives and has now led to 9 suspects facing serious terror-related charges. According to what authorities are presenting, this was not a random incident. Investigators say it was a carefully planned attack that targeted a quiet farming community, leaving families destroyed, homes burnt, and an entire area thrown into fear and grief. What happened is painful to hear, but it is important we talk about it openly. Reports say the attack happened late at night when most people were already at home. Armed men reportedly entered the community, moving from place to place, causing destruction and panic. Many residents tried to escape in the dark, while others were trapped. By the time help arrived, the damage had already been done. This incident has since been described as one of the deadliest attacks the area has seen in a long time. Now please, as you are watching this video, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel because it really helps us bring you verified updates like these, and it helps this message reach more people who need to hear it. Authorities say after months of investigation, arrests were made and 9 individuals have now been brought before a federal court to answer for their alleged roles. The charges are heavy and detailed. Officials believe these suspects were not acting alone or on impulse. They are accused of meeting, planning, sourcing weapons, and coordinating the attack that led to massive loss of life. This is why the case is being treated as a terror-related matter and not just a regular criminal case. The suspects have denied the allegations and entered pleas of not guilty. This means the court process will now move into a full trial where evidence will be presented, witnesses will speak, and the truth will be tested before the law. For many Nigerians, this stage is very important. People are watching closely, not just because of this case alone, but because it represents a bigger question about justice, accountability, and security in the country. Please remember to like this video and subscribe if you have not done so already. Your support keeps this platform going. What makes this story even more serious is the wider situation in the region. Benue State, like some other parts of the country, has experienced repeated violence over the years. Many communities have lived with fear, uncertainty, and displacement. Farmers worry about going to their farms. Families worry about sleeping at night. Children grow up hearing stories of attacks instead of stories of hope. This particular incident has reopened old wounds and a renewed calls for stronger protection of lives and property. Many Nigerians are asking hard questions right now. How did the attackers move so freely? Why did help not come earlier? What more can be done to prevent such tragedies in the future? These are questions the government and security agencies are under pressure to answer, and the public expects clear actions, not just words. As this case goes on, the court has ordered that the suspect remain in custody while preparations for the trial continue. Then this means the legal process is far from over. It may take time, but many believe that seeing this case through is necessary to restore some confidence in the justice system and to send a clear message that violence against innocent people will not be tolerated. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel as we continue to follow this story closely and bring you updates in simple, clear English. Beyond the courtroom, there is also the human side of this tragedy. Families who lost loved ones are still grieving. Some survivors are trying to rebuild their lives with very little support. Homes that were destroyed cannot be replaced easily. Trauma does not disappear overnight. Community leaders and aid groups have continued to call for support, healing, and long-term solutions that go beyond arrests and trials. This story is not just about 9 suspects in court. It is about safety, justice, and the value of human life. It is about whether communities can feel secure again. It is about whether children can sleep peacefully at night without fear. It is about whether the nation can move forward with lessons learned and stronger systems in place. If you are finding this update useful, please like this video and subscribe now so you don't miss the next part of this gist. As the trial date approaches, expectations are high. Nigerians want transparency, they want fairness, they want justice that is seen and felt. Whatever the outcome, this case will likely set an important example for how similar incidents are handled in the future. As the case continues to develop, this As many people across the country are paying close attention because this matter goes beyond one community or one state. It touches the heart of national safety and trust. When something like this happens, people want to know that the system works, that lives matter, and that justice will not be delayed or forgotten. Please, if you are still watching, like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us keep bringing you clear and reliable updates like this. One important issue people are talking about is prevention. After every major attack, Nigerians ask the same question: how can this be stopped from happening again? Security experts have repeatedly said that early information, community cooperation, and quick response are key. Many believe that if warning signs are detected earlier, lives can be saved. This is why people are urging authorities to strengthen local security networks and improve communication between communities and security agencies. Another point many citizens are raising is the protection of rural areas. Most of these attacks happen in small communities far away from major cities. These places often lack strong security presence. Residents depend mainly on themselves for protection. When attackers strike, help may come too late. This has made many people call for better patrols, better roads, and faster emergency response systems. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you stay updated as this story continues. The court case itself is expected to be detailed and intense. Prosecutors are expected to present evidence that links the suspects to planning and carrying out the attack. As defense lawyers will also challenge these claims. This is how the justice system works. It may take time, but the goal is to reach a fair and lawful decision based on facts. For families of the victims, time feels very slow. Many are still waiting for answers. Some have lost breadwinners, others have lost children or parents. For them, justice is not just about punishment, it is about recognition of their pain and assurance that such tragedy will not repeat itself. There is also a growing conversation about healing and reconciliation. After violence, communities need support to recover. This includes counseling, rebuilding homes, restoring farms, and helping people return to normal life. Without healing, fear and anger can remain for years. That is why many leaders are calling for long-term solutions, not just legal actions. If this update makes sense to you, please like the video and subscribe now. Your support matters